One of the things that we look for when we bought the property is a source of water. Basically, if you don't have water, you don't have anything. We got lucky enough to find one that has a drilled well. However, the well is in really bad shape, as you can see by the picture here. The previous occupant or previous owner of the property used to use the well to water cattle with, and did so without a pressure tank or anything. So he hooked the well pump right directly into the power and just flipped the breaker off and on. Burnt the well pump out, so it has to be pulled. It's 200 feet deep, which means I can't do it by myself. It's too much weight, and I don't have the equipment for it. But at the time we have the well fixed, I am also going to redo all of the plumbing. That means I'm going to have to dig a trench about 80 feet long down to where the existing plumbing and wiring is at. Prior to doing that, I need to break up the current concrete pad around the well, pour a new one, and I'm going to install the pressure tank and switch in the house as opposed to in a well house. Makes it easier to get to fix it. It also means that you can build a different type of well house to better keep it from freezing. But we were lucky enough to get a well, so that is a big expense that we don't have to pay for, because the last time I checked, in our area, having a well drilled is right around $12 a foot. And that's just for the hole. That doesn't count anything else. I talked to the well driller or well pump service that used to maintain the well that's on our place. They have informed me that as far as they know, it has never been dry. That it was originally put in back in the 1940s. And I asked for a rough estimate of what the repair cost would be. And it's not cheap. But I'm going to do whatever parts I need to do to reduce the cost to myself. Like trenching 80 foot of Missouri hardpack. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. But well is not the only source of water. We have a fairly large pond, as I mentioned in other videos, but I would not use it for a drinking source other than for animals. There's no telling what kind of quality of water is in it. If perchance we actually happen to have a spring somewhere, that may be utilized as well. But as it stands, it's the well for now. In the course of remodeling the house, I will add a rain collection system that could be either used for people or animals or gardening. It's 1,000 square foot of roof, roughly. 1 inch of rain, 1,000 square foot, is about 600 gallons of water. So that's an option as well. There'll be a lot more of these videos in the future. Once I get to the farm, I will start making videos on aspects of what I am actually doing, whether it's the deconstruction or reconstruction or general land reclamation. If you want to see more of these videos, click subscribe. If you want notifications on it, click the little bell thingy. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.